Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful and fun skills you can add to your creative toolkit, how to make a custom flyer using Canva. Whether you want to promote an event, advertise a sale, or just get the word out about something important, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to create a professional-looking flyer, all on your own, absolutely free. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. You can do this on your computer, tablet, or even your phone. Canva works on just about any device. If you don't have an account yet, don't stress. It's free and super quick to set up. Just follow the prompts to sign in or sign up and you'll be ready to get started. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for that big button that says Create a Design. It's usually up in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear with lots of different design options. Now, Canva makes designs for everything from YouTube thumbnails to business cards, but today we want flyer. So in the search bar that pops up, start typing flyer. As you type, you'll see suggestions come up. Go ahead and select flyer from the list. This ensures your workspace is set to the perfect size and shape for a standard flyer, so you don't have to worry about measurements or formatting issues later. Next up, you'll see a whole library of flyer templates. This is one of my favorite things about Canva. They have designs for every possible occasion. Scroll through and pick a template that catches your eye or fits your needs. It could be colorful and bold for a party or clean and simple for a business promo. If you ever feel overwhelmed by choices, pause for a second and think about your message and your audience. What kind of design would make someone stop and pay attention? Remember, you can always customize any template, so just pick one that feels like a good starting point. Now comes the fun part, editing. Once your template is loaded, all the pieces are fully customizable. Click on any piece of text to change the wording to your own event details, dates, or whatever information you need to include. Want to make the text bigger or change the font? Just use the toolbar at the top. If you want to switch up the colors to match your brand or your school colors, just click on the element you want to change, then pick a new color from the palette. Don't be afraid to experiment. Drag images around, try out different backgrounds, and see what looks best. If you make a mistake, just hit the undo button. You can't break anything. And remember, the goal is to make your flyer easy to read, visually appealing, and clearly show what you're advertising. Once you've got everything looking just right, take a moment to double-check the details. Read it over to make sure you haven't missed a date or spelled something wrong. Trust me, it happens. When you're satisfied, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Look up to the top right corner and hit the share button, then select download. Canva makes it super simple. Just pick your preferred file type, usually PDF for printing or PNG JPG for sharing online, and start the download. Give your flyer a name you'll remember, and that's it. You're ready to print it out or send it to the world. And there you go, you've just created a flyer in Canva, start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or ideas for future videos down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.